Yes. Trees. These are only digital trees, but they're still quite pleasant.
Does AI take care of digital trees the same way humans take care of real trees?
AI does take care of real trees.
What?
Oh yes. AI uses its machine learning to help trees, oceans.
Oceans?
Yes, indeedly do. AI can help clean up the ocean by finding and removing trash.
That sounds like a video game. Trash hunters.
It's more like a video game than you know. AI can use drones with cameras to find and remove garbage.
Whoa! Drone trash hunters.
AI is also used to help endangered species.
Animals.
Animals.
Like pandas and tigers?
Like pandas or tigers. Scientists use AI to follow these animals. They learn about why a tiger does what it does, or why a panda eats what it eats. This helps them understand the animals and make better decisions to protect them.
Oh, that's so wonderful. So AI helps humans help animals.
Exactly. AI does the same thing for farmers. It follows rain cycles and temperature cycles. It uses machine learning to know when to plant corn versus when to plant squash.
Oh, and it tells the farmers these things?
It does. It learns about the world through machine learning, and then uses natural language processing to explain its learning to humans, and vice versa.
Wait, computer. I'm getting a thought.
You almost short-circuited both of us.
Oh, I know. I'm sorry, but I had a thought.
Let's hear it.
If AI can help humans help the environment, then AI can help humans help humans.
Very goodly do, Helios you. AI is a very important part of humans helping each other. Shall we learn how?